If you've got some documents and you need to share them via a link, here's how I would do it. You can share up to 15 gigabytes worth of documents for free. So here's what you need to do. So go ahead and open up a web browser. And if you have a Google account, you can use Google Drive. So here is Google Drive. Now, if you've already got a Google email, you will have access to Google Drive. What you can do is you can do a Google search for Google Drive. And when the results load, you just need to click on Google Drive sign in. And if you're already signed in, then it will load you into this window. From here, you can click on New, go New Folder, and then call this folder something relevant to your files. So I'm just going to put here Documents to Share. Now, once you've done that, it's then going to take you to My Drive, and here you'll see the folder, which you can double click on. Then from here, you can go ahead and upload the documents. You can do that by going to New and File Upload and selecting all of them this way. Or if you've already got the documents open in another file explorer, you can just highlight them and drag them onto the folder. You will see the status of the documents here. And once they are uploaded, you can right click on the document folder, then go Share, Share again, and then you can go ahead and copy this link. Now, if the general access is unrestricted, when you send this link to someone and they access the files, you're going to get an email saying this person's trying to access the files. Do you want to approve them? If that's fine with you, keep it unrestricted. If you just want them to have access to the folder at any time, you can change this to anyone with the link and then click copy link. And now you can give this link to them and they'll be able to access them without asking you for permission. Do note though, anyone with the link will be able to access this. So make sure you do trust the person. Then you can just send them the link on any messaging service. When they go to this link, they'll be able to then download the documents. So this is what it will look like here. They'll be able to click then download all, and that is all you have to do.